Good morning, Las Vegas. We had a quick break in those strong winds. Taking a look outside, nice and clear conditions, but we can expect those winds to pick back up again into this morning and sticking around through the afternoon. Our temperature is pretty warm right now. North Las Vegas at 77, Las Vegas at 80, 72 if you're in Anthem, Red Rock at 75, Summerlin in the low 70s territory. We're talking about the wind. That's going to be the big headline for weather throughout the rest of the week. 13 miles per hour in McCarran, North Las Vegas, right around 5 and 12 miles per hour at the Henderson Airport. A reminder, we have that fire weather warning in effect. That's sticking around through 11 o'clock tonight. That means it's dry and it's windy, and that is the perfect cocktail for some bad fire conditions. So keep that in mind as you are doing anything out into this weekend or into this evening. Also, if you're heading out to the lake, be aware that with those open waters and those strong winds, it creates some rough and hazardous conditions, some very choppy waves out there up to 2 feet, which can create some very dangerous conditions if you're in a small craft. So this morning we can expect those gusts to reach up to 25 miles per hour. This afternoon that picks up to right around 35. Some spots may see up to 40 miles per hour. And this evening that calms down a bit. Still going to be a gusty day, 20 to 25 into the evening. Friday looks to be windy, just not as windy as what we're seeing today. So the highs today, we're looking at 99 in Centennial Hills, 97 in Summerlin. We're looking at that century mark for Sunrise Manor and Nellis Air Force Base, Spring Valley at 99. And if you're in Henderson or Green Valley, also hitting that triple-digit mark, Henderson at 101, and a little bit more cloud coverage along Lake Mead and Boulder City. Taking a look at that 7 days, looking ahead towards the weekend, partly cloudy, triple digits. We're going to be in July by this time. We're looking at those hot temps and breezy conditions into your Friday, and looking at the extended forecast, the first day of July, actually on Monday rather, going to be 103, and those overnight temps going to be into the mid-70s. Ladies, I'll send it back to you.
All right, thanks so much.
Yeah, today is a day where you definitely want to stick to these mild temperatures. And when we say mild, it is still going to be very hot this morning. We're already looking at 93 degrees in Las Vegas, 79 right now in Pahrump. We're looking at 81 for Mesquite. Indian Springs is 72. And if you're in Boulder City, hanging out in the high 80s. So this morning, already looking much warmer than yesterday. Our neighbors to the east right now looking at some red flag warnings or fire weather warnings because of the dry and hot conditions that they're seeing there. That's because they've seen lots of thunderstorms pushing through northern Mojave County. With that, yesterday they saw from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. around 150 lightning strikes, and we have seen some of that now pushing into the eastern parts of Clark County, like Moapa and Moapa Valley, starting to see some light rainfall there, potential for some dry lightning as well. But for futurecast models, it looks like most of that is just really going to push more cloud cover into Las Vegas. Potential of seeing some isolated showers as well Friday into Saturday, but it's not looking likely. So I would plan for mostly dry conditions if you are in the Las Vegas Valley. Also on Monday, then we see some real drying out there as those storms head northeast. Winds tracking right around 15 miles per hour this afternoon with those gusts. Going to stay really light for most of the day. You can expect those to pick right back up to around 18 miles per hour for your Saturday afternoon. Now, planning out those temperatures today, expect to hit the triple digits by around 11 a.m. today. So it's going to be another hot one with a high of 108. Henderson hitting 109 for today and 104 in Prim. Taking a look at the next 7 days, again, there's a slight chance of seeing those isolated storms through Friday and into Saturday. Breezy conditions expected through the early parts of your week as dry conditions move in. And we're seeing those temperatures close to 110 through most of the week. I'll send it to Marissa with a look at your traffic.